Okay, so before we head to actually get the car washed, I want to go ahead and wipe down the surfaces and clean what I can actually clean. As I always say, it makes the most sense to wipe down surfaces first, just in case any debris falls on the floor or what have you. You can then just go ahead and vacuum it up. So we're going to wipe down the surfaces, but first I want to show y'all this spot. I'm not really sure what this is. If I had to guess, it's something that has gotten here since my niece has been here. But I put a little Dawn dish liquid soap and water on this microfiber towel, which I highly recommend microfiber towels because they can be cleaned. You don't have to throw them away. You don't have to keep buying paper towels, that whole thing. But I'm going to go ahead and try to scrub out this stain. Again, there's little that Dawn dishwashing liquid can't fix. So let's go ahead and wipe out that. And it does appear to be coming out. I have no idea what it is, but it does look like it's coming out. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, but while that's doing this thing, I'm going to wipe down all of the other surfaces. This is what I'm going to be using to wipe down all of the surfaces on the inside, and I'm going to use microfiber towels like I mentioned before. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cleaning and organizing my car. This video is in collaboration with my girl Michelle. She actually recently purchased a new car as well and an SUV as well, so I thought that was super fun, for which case in today's video we're going to be sharing with you guys how we have been maintaining and cleaning and keeping our new cars nice and tidy and organized. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. The way that my gas tank is set up with 8 miles until empty, we're not going to even make it to the car wash, so let's go ahead and fill up this vehicle. Okay, so we are at the car wash now. We're going to do the basic car wash. Pretty sure it's $7. Then you get to vacuum out your car for free. I just find, while I could do the vacuuming at home, I just find that these vacuums are so much more powerful, and I'm gonna get the job done in literally a minute, what might take me like 30 minutes at home. Every minute counts. By the way, they have rags over there for you, and they have spray so that you can clean out your car and wipe your windows and all that good stuff. So I love it here because of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and vacuum out this car and wipe off the windows. Okay, all done with the cleaning. I don't really care for the little hangy things, the little smell good air freshener things, or the ones that you put in the vents. I don't know, too strong of a smell for an extensive amount of time gives me a headache. But here's what I do love and what I do use. This is the black cherry scented scent bomb. I think this came from AutoZone. I think it was AutoZone. So I do love spraying these. Be mindful of these because they are relatively strong. So I'll spray like 1 in the front and one in the back, and that does the trick for me. So if you have a 2021 RAV4 or any car, really, I want to share with you guys some major keys, some things that I feel like are of utmost importance whenever it comes to cleaning, organizing, and just having comfort and ease of access in your vehicle. So let me share with you some of the things that I swear by. First up, we have this body glove. This came from, I think, O'Reilly or maybe AutoZone, one of those places. It's a body glove. It fits my wheel perfectly. It is not like super, you know how there are some body gloves or some steering wheel covers that are like furry and all of that. I don't know, I feel like those are kind of not my thing because I feel like it's just too much for me. I just can't deal. But I think this one is perfect. And when you live in an area that's a little on the hot side, I feel like having a steering wheel cover is all the more important, just because you don't want a beaming, scorching hot steering wheel. So I feel like this adds a lot of functionality. Another major key are these coasters. Another major key is this retractable charger. So this particular car actually did come with like a couple chargers and whatnot, but they're super long and annoying, and it's great for, I guess, if I have someone in the passenger, although I do have USB ports in the back, so I don't really know what the purpose of it is, but it's super long and it just gets super messy. So I recommend these, and let me show you what it looks like. I just think that looks so much better. Another major key is this document holder. Now I can't open it obviously because it has important information, but on one side there's like a clear pouch, and on the other side there's a clear pouch. I can show you like a little bit of it, I guess, if that gives you any indication of what it actually looks like. Not really, but anyway, so I have my registration on one side, and then I have my car insurance print out on the other side, and then this is a spot for like a spare key. Another major key, especially with COVID, is having some hand sanitizer that is easily accessible. So there's a cute little slot here if you have this particular vehicle that will fit the hand sanitizer, but otherwise I just keep it like just somewhere that's really close by, so I don't have to rummage through things and get other things germy just to get to the hand sanitizer. These headrest hooks, so I like to keep these in case I want to put a bag on here, like one of my little bags, not my bigger bags. Obviously it'll just weigh it down. Pretty much it's like a real mess if I put my bigger bag on here, but if I put one of my smaller weekend bags, or if I run into a grocery store, I can just put the bag right here instead of worrying about it being thrown around all in the car due to me making turns or whatever the case is. So it just is way more convenient if I just hook things right here. Now we're going to be doing a little organizing in here, actually, just a wee bit, but pretty much I like having a pouch with some of my essentials. As you can see, backup hand sanitizer, makeup remover wipes, feminine products, gloves, chapsticks, things of the sort, earrings, a backup pair of earrings, just things that I might need when I'm out and about that I may not have. Particularly if it's a weekend, I might have my little weekend bag, like a weekend purse, which is much smaller. So it's just important, especially for me, since I work like 40 minutes away from home, to just be able to have some of these things, if not for me, then for other people. Now if you don't have Apple CarPlay, which I didn't until a couple of months ago, I recommend getting one of these vent phone holders, or just a phone holder in general. Therefore, if you're trying to get directions and get from A to B, you don't have to hold your phone and not be able to be hands-free and all of that. So I definitely recommend this, and I do keep this in this car just in the event that I need it. Disposable bag, I feel like I can't count how many times I've tried to like run in Aldi and I've needed a few items, and you know, not like enough items for a cart, but also not enough or too many for my hands. So in the event that you need a bag for whatever reason, you can just pull out this foldable reusable bag and be on your way. I almost never go in this middle console, so I really don't care what it looks like, but FYI, they do have organizers for this console, but for me, I don't really use it a whole bunch, so I just put the little thing back in there for protection. Then I like to throw in my pouch like such, and then this is a charger that came with the phone, so I'll just throw it in there, and then I'll put my car mount in there as well. And then lastly, I like to put in there my car spray, but this should be stored upright, so I just put it back there. Then I close that, and that is organized enough for me. I recently picked up this organizer from Amazon, so you're supposed to just put it here, and it's supposed to be a vibe. I don't even really know how I'm going to get it in there, so let's maybe put the car in drive and then put it in there. Oh, it looks cool. Oh, I love it. But oh yeah, I love it. Let's get this organized. Okay, so honestly, I don't really have a lot of stuff to even put in there as of right now. I feel like it'll be a good place for like cards if I'm going through a drive-through and I just want to throw my card in there until I can put it back in my wallet where it belongs, or some cash or something like that. Maybe not cash, that's probably a little sketch, but it does seem like a cute little nice neat place for my document organizer. So you could put that there. That looks really aesthetically pleasing. And then I could put my phone there. That looks really cute. I could put my phone in here and have like a little cute slot for my phone so I can like easily get it. I feel like I love that, but I also feel like I just love having my phone down there, and then putting the documents folder here. Also would be a good place for like some gum or something like that. I'll link this down below, but I really liked it. That's really cute. I love it. Okay, so let's talk about this glove compartment. So first of all, there's this little slot above it. I don't use that for anything other than like if I'm riding passenger, I might put my phone there or something like that. But for the most part, I do have in here all of my most recent documents from when I get oil changes and tire rotations and things like that. I just like to keep the recent ones in here, and then I file away or throw away the old ones. I have this booklet, which is basically the manual. I feel like it's appropriate to keep this in here in the event that I am on the side of the road, which hopefully that is years and years from now, or never, hopefully. But I do think it's appropriate to keep that in here. I do like having some pens in here. 3 is probably a little excessive, but I feel like you always need a pen in your car. I have a charging port in here, and then I have some stuff which I can probably throw away. So I bought a organizer for this. So it's some kind of little situation that I have to put together. So I'm gonna do that really quickly and then wipe out the compartment because I forgot to do that, and then I'll come back and see what this looks like. My thoughts are, I don't know that it's super mandatory to have, but it is cute and it provides a little bit more function than just having everything all thrown in there. It's some order. So I put my little charger there so I can easily access it, and then I have some other things in here like pins and chargers and charging ports and whatnot. And I did put my spray in here because this is supposed to be stored upright and it typically falls over in the middle console. So there's that. I have my manual stuff in here. I took it out of the black case. I have my reusable bag, and then I have my most recent oil change documents and whatnot. So like I said, mandatory, not really, but it is cute. And interestingly enough, I found this in here, and this was from when I came here some months ago. They give this for free whenever I let them clean the inside, but like I said, I really don't care for the smell too much, so therefore I pretty much avoid it. But since I found it, I'm gonna go ahead and just hang it up. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. We are all cleaned and organized over here. Make sure you check out Michelle's video, which I will have linked up here and down below in the description box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.